This national park has quite a lot to offer in terms of flora and fauna also. And this makes what Tadoba is special to everyone. If you go to other safaris, you might find different kind of flora and fauna. But over here, it was quite good for us at least.
Yeah, like I was looking for some wildlife scenes. I didn't specially plan for something of a safari, but I got you through one of the posts or ads which are posted online in the Facebook or Instagram. So I thought, yeah, I must give a try.
Earlier we had this is the third safari of ours with Shashank ji. First one was with Kana, the Madhya Pradesh. Then the second one
Kabini from Karnataka.
and this is the third one. So this is the first time we are having the safari from Tadoba. We never explored Nagpur and Tadoba earlier.
Tadoba is a very big forest area if we compare, and it is connected to multiple places, as we were discussing also during the dinner and lunch when we were sitting in the group over here. This big area is divided into multiple parts, and that makes it very special because it is across the states in India.
This forest is density of the forest is also very great. Like it is the bamboo forest what we experience here, which is quite different than any other forest levels. And but still, the summer was very hot. The morning was very cold. Overall, the experience was very good.
So talking about the special moment where we spotted the tiger. So here there are names given to the tigers and tigresses. Now we spotted Taaru. He is the male tiger. And then how did this happen? We started our jungle morning safari, and then we entered from the one of the gates. There are many gates here. Before one morning, there was a kill. We got to know from the guide, which was along with us. He told us that there is a kill made by one of the tiger, and it was a samba deer. So that kill also we got to see. This was something new for us. And then after few minutes, we got to know that there is one of the tiger. His name was Taaru, as I mentioned previous. He was sitting there near one of the water body, and he, after having his water, he is just lying there, and he's just licking his paws. He's just enjoying in its own self. So that was an amazing sight for us.
About the tiger, we encounter with Taaru, and one new tiger was explored, and his name is yet to be there. But we found that Taaru was also cute one, but he was sleeping, and this other one, the new one, gave the very good footage of him. He was sitting on the bank of that water body, and so that at the other side all the jeeps were there, and they have got very good snaps of the that new fellow, and he was very cool, like maybe he was experiencing it was happily, he was enjoying that photo sessions of his, and so that was the overall thing.
But our Maharashtrian tigers are very handsome.
Okay.
I really want to thank these guys, the hardworking local rangers and the drivers. These guys restlessly, relentlessly, they go every day, a bit of, maybe they take a leave or something after every couple of days, but that is their life duty. Without these guys, it's like a sitting duck. It is like a sitting duck where you can't help much yourselves or the people who have brought or whatever. So I really appreciate these guys.
They are managing their job very well, and we should appreciate them. This is what we can say. Yes.
As per situation, they are taking good decisions.
The prompt decisions
हाँ.
and timely decisions.
Yeah, this stay is so good, I didn't expect it. I saw it as a typical resort where there were grass mats or grass lots, and there will be a pool, basic some banana trees or something, or some trees, but this is so close to the reserve, so close to the habitat, so it really reflects the habitat and reserve. It's like an introduction to the safari. That is what I can say. So it is so good.
With the limited resources, they are managing very well. The staff is very good, and they takes care of every small need of the people, because here the limitation of the resources are very much limited, and still we enjoyed the food. We found that this resort is good, and Shashank ji, thumbs up for this. Thank you.
Experience was amazing. Talking about the jungle safari, he was very well equipped. He was covering all the main areas and the main animals which needs to be covered.
So for Shashank, I would just say one thing, that he has converted his passion into his business. So that tells a lot, because if you are passionate about something, when you are converting your hobbies into your businesses, then you will always love doing that things. I have been to previous safaris, but this was a quite good experience.
हम लोग शशांक के साथ सफारी इसलिए करते क्योंकि शशांक ऐसे इंसान है कि जो हमें वाइल्ड लाइफ के बारे में, जंगल के बारे में इतना डिटेल्ड बताते हैं.
We will also recommend that from our side, we always be with Shashank. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.